Hi everyone, welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Today we're gonna do a quick analysis of Elevance health. First of all, we're gonna check the dividend score, and later on we are going to do a check on the valuation with the help of fast graphs. They have a market cap of $113 billion. The current stock price is $474.90, and they are in the healthcare plans industry. During the last 10 years, they have greatly overperformed the S&P 500, and this is with the dividends reinvested. Now for some fundamental data. Amazing sales growth, 10.3%. Also amazing, the earnings growth, 21.8%. The future estimates of the earnings, 12.4%. Nice return on capital at 19.6%. And the debt compared to its free cash flow is 2.94 years. And they are buying back shares at a rate of 1.53%. Now for some dividend data. The dividend yield is a bit low, 1.07%. The stock price keeps rising, so the dividend has a bit problem keeping up. The payout ratio is extremely low though, only 17%. The growth rate is really high, double digits, 13%, and they have been increasing the dividend for 10 years. That makes up for 9 out of 10 points, which is not bad at all. Let's take a look at the valuation in fast graphs. Here in fast graphs, we can see that the earnings is extremely steady. They fared very well during the last recession, and it really took off 2018. I don't see a negative earnings year, minus 1%, 2008. Other than that, it's rock solid. Let's also plot the price and their normal PE. And here we can see, as for other stocks, the price tends to follow the earnings. And if we do an estimation out to late 2024, we can see that the annual rate of return is only 1.9%. So this great company needs to come down a bit. We can see that it's trading quite high above its normal PE, which is the blue line. And during this period, we can see that they grew their earnings annually by 12%, which is amazing. That was it for Elevance Health. Please share thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Hej då!